Do you know what time it is?
Around 7:40.
The more you smoke, the more it builds up in your body.
That's cool. I love animals.
Me too.
Yeah, I have like 2 dogs and 1 cat.
Really? Wow.
My name is David. Can I take your order?
Yeah. Get a Pedro's platter.
There's a problem?
Yeah.
But I wish I had some friends. I wish I was invited to parties. I wish when there was a group project, people would choose me first. I wish people will sit next to me and not just look at me and look away.
Then give me the phone.
Lucy.
Hey, Tina, what are you doing here?
All I did was take some snacks. All they could do is suspend me, and I'll just be on my way out of here.
Hey, look at the new girl.
She's not awkward and weird.
Let's make her feel welcome. Watch where you're going, Free.
Wake up at 6 in the morning, shower to take all the sweat off.
High school was awesome.
I'm gonna miss this place. I never thought I'd say that, but I'm gonna miss high school. Like, it's become a second home, I guess.